So coming to you live from Tampa, Florida. Oh man, it's been crazy. Hold on. I gotta get this straight. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay, so let me show you what I have real quick. Coming to you live from Tampa, Florida. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. So I have corn, potatoes, and eggs. And I have some seafood over here. Hold on, let me get it together because it's a little hot. You know? So we got crab legs. Sorry, I had hot sauce and ate some earlier. Some crab legs, some shrimp, some hot corn, potatoes, 2 eggs. And let me make sure I get everything I need. So watch this video to the end. We're gonna take our time with it. Listen here. I've been working out. Tampa, Florida. Stand up. Because look. Look how good this is. That was so good. Shrimp and shit. I'm smacking. So the world has been coming to a crazy end. It's so good. It's so good. Oh. Listen here. This corn and these crab legs are so good. Look at that. I've been eating my ass off, but seafood is better than nothing. So we got crabs, potatoes, corn, eggs from Nick's Gyros in Tampa, Florida. So don't forget to go up there and like and subscribe. Their food, just like I'm doing. You feel me? It's so good. I'm just over here eating my ass off. It's hot. See, I'm hot. Just got out the shower. Finna eat this corn. It's so good. I don't know what's playing in the background, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Had to get this together. I suppose you'll have to learn by spending the next 1,000 years as a fairy. It's so hot. It's so good. Oh. Oof. I got to enjoy this. My body's so hot. Hold on. Let me go get some towels. All right, I'm back. Oh. Whew. I had to cut the arrow. There we go. So I can really eat. You feel me? It's so good. These crab legs are so good. Look at that. It's so good. Sometimes you can't find good food, but I'm messing this stuff up. You see that? Got it run down my chin. All I remember is that this food is so good. So how was y'all day today? How's the COVID-19 been treating you? It's been so crazy. See that? Ooh, look at that. It's so good, guys. I'm fucking this food up. Not paying attention to nothing. Once I eat, I eat. I haven't been back in a while. I had went through the hospital, had the heart attacks. You know, trying to get this life together. It's so good. That's empty. I don't know why they be playing with these little ass crab legs. It's so good. Y'all gotta listen. Come to Tampa, Florida, and just eat all the food you can. We got good mukbangs. We got good. Ooh, period. Let me wipe my chin. Hold on, y'all. Ooh, this food is so good. Mm. I love to eat. I think it's from all the seafood, like lacking skills that I haven't had. But I want Mr. and Mrs. Crab. It be hot. This seafood is good. Mm. Mm. So you gotta get it like this. Mm. 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 Yeah, see that? Mm. Um, this is so good. I'm over here eating the hell out of this because at this point in time, I've been, sipping on a little something, and the seafood is the best. Mm. It's amazing. So, what you do, you gotta dip it in that sauce, get it nice and juicy. Mm. Mm. It tastes like Roman noodles. You know them Roman noodles? Y'all know about them Roman noodles. Feel that? Mm. Mm. Um, they got some Galaxy movie playing in the back. Who's this? I don't know who called me. They don't have to wait till I'm done recording. Please watch to the end of the video. Oh, so good. Mm. They're gonna have to wait till I'm done. Mm. That's so good. Look at this knuckle. Ooh, I gotta get the juice in it. Mm. Look at this. Mm. So good. Mm. I can't. Oh shit. Mm. Mm. Hold on. What my brother want. Hold on.